If you have IBD, you may find that during flares you have trouble digesting many highly nutritious foods, like fresh fruits and vegetables. As someone who was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis 20 years ago, these are the 5 kitchen tools that have helped me the most throughout the years. My blender is the most heavily used appliance in my kitchen. I like to think of blending as the first step in digestion to help pre-digest certain nutritious foods that are hard to break down. For example, during a flare, high roughage foods like leafy greens and berries may be hard to digest, but when blended, they go down smoothly and with minimal irritation. Also, when your appetite is reduced, it may be easier to drink your calories and nutrients rather than eating solid foods, and smoothies can pack lots of nutrition into just a few sips. Steaming is another way to prepare vegetables so that you can better tolerate them. This is what a steaming basket looks like, and if you don't already have one, I highly recommend it. Steaming softens the texture of vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower, and steamer baskets are also inexpensive and very easy to use. All you have to do is add an inch or 2 of water to a large pot, place your steamer basket inside the pot with your veggies, and then you cover the pot. Bring the water to a boil, and then allow it to simmer until your desired texture is reached. And if you are actively experiencing symptoms, I recommend really thoroughly steaming your veggies so that they're soft enough to mash with a fork. My next kitchen tool is actually one of the first steps in food prep, and that is the vegetable peeler. The skins of fruits and vegetables speed up GI transit time, meaning food moves too quickly through the GI tract, which can worsen a flare. But peeling the skins off of fruits and veggies helps to eliminate this extra insoluble fiber, so you don't have to give them up entirely during a flare. Some of my favorite flare-friendly foods to peel include the skins off of potatoes before baking them, zucchini before steaming or sautéing, and ripe peaches before eating. This is my well-used and well-loved masher. Mashing is another way to modify the texture of fruits and vegetables, breaking down fibers so they're better tolerated. Some of my favorite veggies to mash include cooked butternut squash, sweet potato, and steamed cauliflower. Last but not least is the tea kettle. A hot cup of tea is not only comforting when you aren't feeling well, but can also have beneficial properties that may even aid in symptom management. 2 of my favorites are peppermint tea, which has antispasmodic properties to help ease abdominal cramping, and ginger tea, which may help to alleviate nausea. So give some of these kitchen tools a try, whether you're dusting them off from the back of your kitchen cabinet or investing in them from the first time. I hope these tools help you to enjoy more nutritious foods more of the time. To your health.